Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Cabernet over at Whitaker's Way. We are bringing you guys a whole day of vegetarian food. Like we're going out to fast food restaurants or restaurants where you can go in and order fast food. Clip right here where it shows you guys what the difference is between vegetarians and then vegans. So we did do the 24-hour vegan challenge before. You guys can check out that video, linked in the description box down below. But also, you guys can check it out after you check out her video and my video. So it is, I don't even have my watch on this morning, but it is Tuesday. The weather looks really, really nice outside. I'm just now opening up some blinds. So I'm gonna get ready to head out and I'm gonna go to Starbucks. So my kids gifted me before school ended a $25 gift card to Starbucks. What better way to use it than going to get some food and show you guys what I'm getting from Starbucks for myself, and then lunch and dinner, and that's gonna be it. So I'm just gonna show you guys a full day of eating like a vegetarian, and it's not hard. It definitely is something that I definitely could get used to. So here we go. Okay, so here we are in the car, getting ready to roll. Okay, so let me just give everybody like a little update. It is now 11:53, which is a late start to my morning. So, like I said, it's 11:53. I'm just coming up here to Starbucks to get something for breakfast. So I'm gonna get a drink, and then I'm also gonna get a protein box. I'm also going to get a cheese Danish. And then later on, I am going to go and get a smoothie bowl. And then for dinner tonight, I have no idea yet, still in the works of what I really want. But like I said, I'm gonna list it here on this side of the screen. The picture that shows basically the difference between vegan and the difference between vegetarian. So this is something else that, like I said, we're just giving a try this time. So hopefully, like, I like it. I mean, I can go without meat, I can go without poultry, I can go without seafood for a day, no biggie. So here I am in the drive-thru. No, thank you.
All right, looks like you're good with me, $31.53.
Thank you. All right, so my total was $31. So that just means I'll have to put like $6 or $7 towards this from what the kiddos gave me at the end of the year. So yeah, look at what I did get. So here are my items: my strawberries and cream Frappuccino, and then the cake pops that me and the kids got, as well as my cheese Danish and protein box are in here. Show you guys that one. All right, so I got to take the kids to get something to eat for lunch, so I think that I'm gonna start there by getting them some lunch. But I'm also gonna get me something, because what I just got for breakfast can also be, the cheese Danish can be heated up later, but I also can eat the protein box later as well. So I can drink the drink and, like I said, get me something to eat from McDonald's. So I'm gonna show you guys what I would get from McDonald's if I was actually a vegetarian, which means no meat, no poultry, no seafood. So here we go.
How can I help you?
Hey, can I get a large fry? Okay, so McDonald's, y'all. only thing vegan, vegetarian, I'm sorry, that you guys can get is the fruit and yogurt parfait, and unfortunately they don't have that anymore. Or honestly, just some fries, because at the McDonald's that I went to, they do not have fruit and yogurt parfaits anymore. Basically, McDonald's does not really have too many vegetarian options for you guys to choose from. Like I said, fries or a fruit and yogurt parfait if they are still doing it in your area. So I did end up just getting the Dr. Pepper from my son's meal because he had got the 10-piece nugget and fries, and he already got the drink from Starbucks. So like I said, all I was able to get was just a large fry. So I'll just indulge on these. All right, so we're back at home from getting Starbucks and McDonald's. So because of the time frame that it was already past 11, I was like, okay, while I'm already out, the kiddos need some lunch. So I went ahead and picked that up. So let me show you guys this protein box that I get all the time. It's one of my favorites. If I don't say the right thing, they put something disgusting in my bag. And I always get this egg and cheese protein box. They call it a bistro box, but anyways, it's an egg and cheddar protein box that comes like this. And so in this bistro egg and cheddar protein box, you get 2 boiled eggs. It comes with salt and pepper inside, as well as some everything seasonings. You also get apples, grapes, and then you get a muesli little bread piece, and then you get the Justin's peanut butter pack to put on it. Oh my god, it's amazing. So this right here simply tells you on the back that it contains egg, milk, peanuts, and wheat. So of course it is not vegan, but it does not contain anything that I cannot have as a vegetarian. So that's what I'm gonna eat on, or just save for a snack this afternoon. Also at Starbucks, the kids got a chocolate cake pop. You know they can't go anywhere without ordering something as well. I got the cheese Danish that I'm getting ready to eat because it is warmed up. And then I decided to treat myself to a unicorn cake pop. All right, so quick update while I'm sitting here on the couch. I am just now getting ready to eat my unicorn cake pop. I also still have my strawberries and cream frappuccino. It wasn't all that. I don't know. It's just something about the way that they make it now. I don't know. It was almost like there's barely like any strawberry juice in it, or barely like any strawberries. I don't know. Any milk. Who knows? But there's the inside of my cake pop. I'm gonna eat the ears. I do need to go ahead and place my order for the smoothie place. Yeah. Back in the car again. The smoothie bowl place called Juice Laundry closes at 5, so I'm on my way over to go get me a smoothie bowl, which will be like a little afternoon snack, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner. Whoa, didn't even see the time. for some chia seeds on the side. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna like these or not. That's why I asked for some on the side instead of on my bowl. So this is a CB&J. It clearly has. And I did ask when I was in there if everything is vegetarian. Yes, it is. So I got some house granola, which clearly has sunflower seeds, cashews, maple syrup, as well as oats, cinnamon. Got some cut up bananas, and then we have some cut up strawberries. Guys, the best part is like to eat everything in the middle first. All right, so I'm gonna try a little bit. All right, y'all, so in the pack of the eggs and cheese protein comes the Justin's honey peanut butter. This is an individual pack where you can take this mousseline bread, you can cut it in half like I do, and then I squirt the whole thing of peanut butter on here and just eat it as a sandwich. All right, so this cheese is so good, and it also comes with like everything seasoning that you can put onto your eggs, whatever you want to. There we go, my camera was blurry. So tonight I'm gonna be going to get Chick-fil-A for dinner, as I have a bunch of points. So I use my points to use my reward to get, or basically they have 2 cookies, free small fry or medium fry, a free drink, and then a free salad. So and a free fruit cup. So yeah, this will do me for the rest of the night in case I do get hungry again. I also still have my Starbucks leftovers still because I have not ate it yet, but I'm definitely going to eat that in a little bit as well. So the fruit salad from Chick-fil-A, excuse me, might just be for breakfast in the morning, or maybe later if I'm still up and cleaning. Okay, update. I've only had to pay like $4.15 out of pocket due to getting a strawberry milkshake. So I will pay that up at the window. Other than that, the rest of my order was completely free tonight due to rewards. So I'll show you guys once I get back to the house what I got. All right, y'all, just to kind of show you guys my receipt, just so that you guys can see that the bacon and the chicken are going to be on the side. Charles will eat that later. Scott will eat the bacon, and then I end up just getting 2 free cookies, a fruit cup, and a milkshake with no whipped cream and no cherry because I didn't want that, and a Coke alongside the salad. I am so hungry. All right, so I just got home, and as I was coming in the door, I realized that they gave me 2 salads. But am I gonna complain? No. Let me show y'all what's down in my bag. So here I have the fruit salad, okay? And then some napkins for that. Okay. And then I also got the strawberry milkshake as well as a Coke. And then here's my straws for that. Okay, next one, here it is. I clearly asked for some waffle fries. I did get waffle fries. I also got 2 chocolate chunk cookies. All right, so they did end up putting chicken into this salad right here that I clearly said no chicken. So luckily, I did get the salad that I asked for, which was no chicken and no bacon. So with that being said, let me take all these napkins out. And then I end up getting, I don't eat these. Some charred tomato crispy red bell peppers. I don't eat them. They're going in the trash. But anyways, I got everything I needed except just no dressing. So luckily I have dressing here. But what I'm not understanding is how they got the order mixed up. Obviously because it says 2, maybe? And I don't drive a gray sedan, so that's also crazy too. And this guest name is C'Aira. Y'all, people don't know how to spell my name right, but it just says 1 red flag, 2 bacon and chicken on side. It doesn't say anything else. But that's okay, because dinner is, like I said, gonna get 8. This is gonna be mine. This is gonna be Charles's. And then I have fries. Charles can add more chicken or, yeah. And then I got these 2 cookies, as I'm gonna split one in half with the kids after they eat their dinner. And then I have a drink and a good old dessert after. All right, y'all, so since they did not give me any dressing, luckily your girl got 3 bottles of ranch dressing at the house. So I'm gonna put a couple of these crispy onions on this salad.
Just carry your father. I'm sick and tired of strangers in